Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Lexus RX 350 with its physical key. First, you'll need to access the hidden key within your smart fob. Then, locate the often concealed keyhole on the driver's side door. Once found, simply insert the key and turn it to manually open your vehicle. This method is vital for situations where your remote entry isn't working. To retrieve the physical key, look for a small release button on the side or back of your Lexus key fob. Press and hold this button, then gently slide the metal key out from its slot. This small, traditional key is your backup for when the electronic functions of your fob are unavailable, such as a dead battery. Keep it safe. Once you have the physical key, approach the driver's side door. Many Lexus models have a small cover over the keyhole, often integrated into the door handle itself. Gently pry this cover off with your fingernail or the key itself to expose the keyhole. Insert the key fully and turn it clockwise to unlock the door manually. It's a simple, reliable process. Remember, knowing how to manually unlock your Lexus RX 350 is a critical skill, especially if your key fob battery runs out or the remote signal is blocked. Always ensure you know where your physical key is and how to use it. It provides peace of mind and ensures you're never stranded. Also, for staying hydrated on the go, check out the Oala water bottle. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.